All right, we are here in Head House Square on first week of March. I think it's March 4th. We are replacing these wood, which is kind of rotted and doesn't really look that great. And we're putting in bluestone treads. So essentially this will be perfectly rectangular. Those are coming out. I'm gonna come up to here and go in that way. And this one over here as well, this one's a little bit higher. Same thing, the owner wants this cleaned up a little bit, so we might go straight across or we might kind of jog out and go over because he doesn't want those bricks there. And this side is a little bit higher, but the wood comes out all the way around. Pennsylvania bluestone on 3 sides, front and the sides. And we'll see how we do today. Not a bad day. All right, so we are done. Took a lot longer than I thought. Heading around, beautiful neighborhood here. Society Hill, Head House Square. A lot of cutting, a lot of struggling. I'm shooting my video here. Oh, good. They're home. Good.
Yeah.
Oh, now light works. That's great. Here's the damage. Eddie's cleaning. Sorry, Eddie.
Hey, I can move this brick, right? Yeah.
Yeah, you can move the brick. Yeah. And a lot of root action. It looks kind of nice. So we are completed. A little brick installation there anyway. EAF landscaping. Good workout. Split decision. Nice job.